Welcome to our channel. KeyBank offers student checking accounts with features designed specifically for students, often with lower fees or no monthly maintenance charges. Follow these step-by-step instructions to open your account. Step 1. Verify that you meet the eligibility requirements, which typically include being enrolled as a full-time or part-time student at an accredited college or university. Step 2. Gather the required documents, including a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Step 3. Provide proof of student status, which can be a current student ID, enrollment letter, or class schedule from your school. Step 4. Have your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number ready for identity verification. Step 5. Decide whether you want to open the account online, through the KeyBank mobile app, or by visiting a branch in person. Step 6. For online applications, visit www.key.com and click on Open an Account, then select the Student Checking Account option. Step 7. Complete the online application by providing your personal information, contact details, and uploading photos of your required documents. Step 8. Make an initial deposit, which may be as low as $25 for student accounts using a debit card, credit card, or electronic transfer from another bank. Step 9. Review the account features, including ATM access, mobile banking, and any student benefits, such as waived fees while you're enrolled in school. Step 10. Once approved, you'll receive your debit card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days, and you can immediately access your account through online banking. Step 11. Set up direct deposit for any part-time job income or financial aid disbursements to maximize your account benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.